Hello everyone, I am Rohan Maji and today we are going to study about hybrid topology. You must have heard about different basic topologies that are mesh, bus, ring or star, and there is one more known as tree. So what is hybrid topology? Hybrid topology is a network topology that combines two or more different types of network topologies together into a single interconnected network. Yes, that's it. So here you can see that this is CS department having mesh topology. Then here is computer lab having star topology. Here research lab having ring topology and computer chemistry department having bus topology. And in between all is a VC office that is also having star topology. So we can assume that the department's requirement was having mesh topology, chemistry department needed bus topology, research lab needed ring topology, and so on. So, but if we want to connect them all together, we will use hybrid topology. As we all know that all the topologies have its pros and cons. So to utilize them together, so hybrid topology takes advantages of the strength of each while compensating for their individual weaknesses. So we can do that here too. By just connecting them together, I'm connecting mesh topology with a star topology, and now we can call this as a one topology, which is a hybrid topology. Same goes with chemistry department and research lab, and then I will connect both the departments to the VC office and just wait for the lines to turn green. That will indicate us that the network has been completed and the connection has been established. Okay, so as you can see that the all lines have been turned green. That means the connection has been established, and we can check that by just simply sending a message from CS department to research lab. So suppose he is the HOD and he is sending a document to research lab and to the printer, and as you can see here it is successful. Kudos. And then we can see this simulation as well. So okay, so the simulation has been started, and to save time I would be clicking the forward button. And yes, you can see that the network has been established and we are good to go. So that was all about hybrid topology, but generally in a hybrid topology we use centralized system as a mesh topology, so to make it more fault tolerant. So let me so now as you can see here that in the middle I have a mesh structure, and I'm just connecting that to all the departments and VC office so as to make my centralized system more fault tolerant. Okay, so the lines have been connected. Just wait for it to turn green. Okay, so coming back, we can see that the all lines have been turned green. So let's check that. So again, this PC is sending some message to this PC. And let's see. Yes, definitely it is successful, and we can see the simulation as well. So let's play the simulation. As you can see, the message is traveling through the network, and the response has been sent back to the source PC. So message has been received, and you can see the status. It is successful. So that was all about hybrid topology. But before ending this video, I just want to mention that if you are using Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to give all the PCs a IP address. I have already showed them below that this laptop is having 200.1.1.3. This printer is having 200.1.1.25. Similarly with all the systems. And just to conclude my video, I would like to say that hybrid topology is just like how we mix and match different ingredients to create our favorite recipe. A hybrid topology allows network designers to create a customized network that suits their specific needs. just a combination of all the topologies or two or more topologies. And definitely it is a smart way to make sure your network is strong and reliable no matter what challenges it may face. So that's it, and thank you so much.